Hello everyone. Today I will be demonstrating how to create and customize a box and whisker plot in Tableau. Now, I will be using the Q12 data, but you can use whatever data you are currently working with to create a simple box and whisker plot following these steps. To start building a box and whisker plot, first we need to set up a simple bar graph. To do this, we're going to come over here to the left and select at least one blue pill to place into our columns. For my purposes, I will be selecting two blue pills. So I'll be selecting my gender ID pill and placing it in columns, and my race pill and placing it in columns. Next, we'll want to come back over here to the left and select a green pill and place it into our rows. For my purposes, I'm going to scroll down here and select the social green pill and move it into rows. Now, for my purposes, I will need to change the measure of the green pill from sum to average. To do this, you're going to hover and click on the down arrow here on the green pill. Here you'll have a measure option, and you can select whichever measure you need to change it to. I'll be changing it to average. Now we have our bar graph. Let's run through that one more time for you. We're going to select our blue pill over here on the left. I'll be selecting gender ID and race. And then we're going to select our green pill and move it into our rows. From here, we'll change the measure of our green pill from sum to average. Now, to change the bar graph into a box and whisker plot, you'll need to come up here to the top right corner and select the Show Me box. Once selected, you will see a list of different graphs and plots you can choose from. For this example, we will be selecting the box and whisker plot option. Now, as you can see, it has moved one of our blue pills from the columns down here to the marks. To fix this, all we need to do is move our blue pill back into our columns row. Now we will select another blue pill from the left and move it into our marks category. I will be selecting date of hire and just place it here. With this, we have our box and whisker plot. Let's run through that one more time for you. We'll come over here and we'll select Show Me, and we will select the box and whisker plot option. From there, we will move our blue pill back into our columns and select a different blue pill from the left and place it in our marks. Now we have our bar graph, or our box and whisker plot. Now that the box and whisker plot is created, we can customize it to fit our visual needs or preferences. By hovering over one of the boxes, you can right-click and see a few different options. We will select the Edit option. From here, you'll see a few different options. You can change the plot to a line, a band, distribution, or keep it as a box plot. From there, you can choose a color and border and change your whiskers. I'll be changing my color to red. I'll be increasing the size of my border, and I will make my whiskers gray. Once you've set your preferences, you can select OK and see them. To change the color of your points in the plot, you're going to reselect one of your blue pills in the columns and place it in the marks category. I'll be selecting gender ID. From here, you can see that the pill is set on detail mark. To change this, you can select the box and change it to color. To change the color, you'll come up here and select the color box and select Edit Colors. Now you can select a palette for your colors. I'll be selecting Summer. Once you've selected your desired palette, you can click OK and see your selections. Let's run through that one more time for you. Now, to change your colors, you can right-click and select Edit over one of your boxes. From here, you can change the fill of your box. I'll be changing mine to red. You can change your border, and I'll be making mine larger. And you can change your whiskers, and I'll be changing mine to gray. Then once you have your desired changes, you can select OK. From here, you can change the color of your points by reselecting one of your blue pills from your columns and moving it to the marks category. You'll need to change the mark from detail to color, and then select color, edit colors, and change your palette. With your desired palette, you can select OK, and now you have a completely customized box and whisker plot. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you and your understanding of Tableau. Thank you for watching and have a great day.